the hero is here. Hey guys, as usual, this is Ani Talks with you. My name is Anita Shrutadhar, and today I'm gonna watch one of the most requested videos of the day. It's a Karnan movie teaser with Dhanush in a leading role and directed by Mari Selvaraj. So I feel this is something really interesting, so I can't wait anymore. Let's watch the video. Santosh Narayanan. Now I know everything about this man. Mari Selvaraj. Oh wow. The visuals are so great. What's going on? What a background music, wow. Oh wow. What's happening? Oh my god. So the hero is here. Yeah. What an entry. Wow. Is there anything else? No. Wow, now that's what I call a really good teaser because it brought me so many different emotions, so many great emotions, and I really loved that. And the visuals, the background music, Dhanush, everything was so on point, and I love that entry of Dhanush. I love the entry of his character. It was so powerful, and his facial expressions were so on point. I must convince that I didn't get the story of this movie actually. I didn't get the story, I didn't get the genre, whether it's a thriller or it's an adventure. Maybe it's a horror movie because, you know, in some areas of the trailer it got some horror vibes to me. There were some moments in this teaser which made me feel so sad and so bad inside, like that moment with all those old people lying on the ground and they were like asking for help. I don't know what happened with them, but I felt so bad for them because, you know, I don't want to see that kind of situations in a real life. I just don't want to see old people getting any kind of pain. So now I'm interested what happened with them in a movie. But please, Karnan or Dhanush, anybody, please come and save those people because I just want to see them happy. Many people told me that this movie is a remake of another one, Karnan movie from 80s. But I don't know actually, is that true or not? Maybe you know, please let me know in the comments. And another people told me that this movie is based on a true story, on a real incident. But I have no idea which incident were used in this movie, and I actually haven't found any information about that in their uh, description. And there is another one, Karnan movie from 1964, but it's a mythological movie based on a Mahabharata, and it's all about a Karna character. But I have no idea if that movie has any relation to this one, and if that character has any connection with our Karnan. But let's see, okay? This is just a teaser. Let's wait for the trailer. Maybe we will get some new information about the movie. As we can see from the teaser, Dhanush's character is like a savior for all that people. He is like a real hero because all of them were like, Karnan, Karnan, please come and save us. I don't know what's going on there, but I feel that he is a hero, he is a savior, and he will help all of them. I love his expressions, I love his warlike look, and I just want to watch the movie to see his brilliant performance. I feel that his performance in this movie will be something really qualitative. Like as always, actually, his story selection and script selection and his dedication are just awesome. I appreciate him a lot, and I watched lots of his movies, and most of them were just remarkable. Like that Tree movie, I mean, Monu, and the movie where he played an unemployed man with no education. I don't remember the name of the movie, but that was such a great movie. I love that, and I love that song from the movie Udungada Sangu, and I was just in love with that song, and I even made a dance performance for that song, me and my crew. So yeah, I love his work, I love his songs, and I love uh, okay, I love everything about Dhanush. One thing I noticed is that if the movie is directed by Mari Selvaraj, then it's a movie with a deep message, and it's definitely a movie with a statement to make, and a combination, a combo of Mari Selvaraj, Dhanush, and Santosh Narayanan. It's just, it's a fantastic combo, and I think it's the main reason why I want to watch this movie. After that, enjoying Jamie's song, I think I know everything about Santosh Narayanan because I went behind him. I've learned some information about him, about his music compositions, and now I can affirm that he is a genius, and his music is something really, really mind blowing. And now I'm looking forward to watch this movie mostly because of Santosh Narayan. Okay, after Dhanush, of course. Well, as I know, some of the songs from this movie are already out on YouTube, or maybe one song, I don't know. But I haven't noticed that before. But after this video, maybe I will watch that song as well. Who knows? But that's all for today. Hope you guys liked the video and liked the teaser as well. Please suggest me some more teasers, trailers, songs to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.